We can easily format or modify the style, color, and size of bullets in our presentation. We can even turn the bulleting off. First, select the text you want to format. I'm going to format this bulleted list here. I'll go up into the paragraph group found in the Home tab, and there's the bullets icon. I'm going to click on the drop-down arrow, and then I'm going to launch the bullets and numbering dialog box. Here's where I have some options. I can change the bullet character. I could use a picture as a bullet. I could insert a symbol as a bullet. I could change the size of the bullet or the color of the bullet. I can also select to turn off bulleting. I'm just going to cancel out of this. I can also use numbering instead of bullets. I'll click that and notice that my bullets, they've now changed to numbers. If I use numbering, PowerPoint will automatically renumber my list when I add to it. I'm just going to add something here, a summer sale. It'll also renumber when I go ahead and I delete something. Remember, any formatting that we do on an individual slide will only affect that slide. We use the master slide to make any presentation-wide changes. There are a few ways to edit the text content of your presentation. After you enter text in a slide, you can edit it in the Outline tab of the View pane. And here I'm just going to change this sale to happen 1 month later. Or I can edit the text in the slide by clicking the text placeholder. This sale here will happen 1 month earlier. We can also copy and paste text. First, copy the text. To do that, we select the text that we want to be copied. Up here in slide 4, the bullet downtown location, I want to copy it and paste it on slide 5. I want it to also appear on slide 5. First, copy the text. We do this by selecting the text that we want to be copied. Here in slide 4, I want the bullet downtown location to be copied and pasted down in slide 5. So I will select the text to be copied. Then I will click the Copy button up in the Clipboard group. The text and its attributes have now been copied to the Office clipboard. To show how this works, I'm going to click the Clipboard dialog box launcher. This shows the 24 most recent results of cut and copy in any Office application. Now I also want to copy the bullet 5 staff and have it appear in slide 5 as well. So I'm going to select it. This time I'm going to use the copy shortcut, Control-C. And notice how it also appears on the left in the clipboard listing. Now I'm going to paste the text. So I will position my pointer at the insertion point, and I'm going to click on the item that I want pasted. Perfect. I'm going to do that for the second copy and paste item. There, I've quickly copy and pasted 2 bullets from one slide into another. Now I'm just going to close the dialog box. You can also move or copy text with the mouse using drag and drop. It works best for moving selections short distances, such as on a slide or in an outline. Let's first try moving text. Let's move one of the items in our AGM agenda here on slide 2. The first step in moving text is to select the bullet you want to move. Let's move the New Product Showcase meeting item and have it happen after the Business Prospects and Financials item. I select the bullet, hold down the left mouse button, and drag the text. Drag the pointer until it is below the destination. Release. There, it's moved our text. We can also copy text. Let's say we want upcoming promotions to appear twice, a second time after employee awards. We click the bullet we want to copy, hold down the left mouse button, as well as the Control button. Drag the pointer to the destination, and then release the left button first. There we go. If you release the Control button first, you've just gone back to moving text and not copying it. If you don't like the change, you can always use the Undo and Redo buttons in the Quick Access toolbar. The Undo button reverses the last action you've done and can be used a few times to undo a number of actions. The Redo button you use to redo an action that you have undone. Note, once you've saved the document, you can no longer undo or redo actions. You can easily rearrange or even delete slides in your presentation. In normal view, click the slide to select it, and then holding down your left mouse button, move it using the drag and drop technique. You can do this drag and drop in either the Slide tab or also within the Outline tab. It's also easy to rearrange slides using the Slide Sorter view. Let's click on the View tab, select Slide Sorter, and then we can use the same drag and drop technique. You're able to delete slides in any view except for the Slideshow view. To delete a slide, click the slide to select it, right-click and select Delete Slide, or you could just hit the Delete key.